Now, Tesla stock may have plummeted recently, but things could be looking up for Elon and Tesla. After all, the crash means that anyone who couldn't afford to buy Tesla stock before now can buy Tesla stock at a much cheaper price. Who knows, maybe you'll score a nice return on investment, but just don't forget to buckle up because this is a roller coaster of a ride. But in this video, we have a huge update from the man himself, Elon Musk, which could mean the eventual turnaround for Tesla stock. But before we dive in, be sure to gently smash the like button. So with that being said, let's get into it. Now, before we dive in on what could trigger the turnaround for Tesla stock, we have to address the recent Tesla stock collapse, which has been leaving investors scared. And one of those reasons is investors thinking that the competition from other electric car companies is heating up. Many people still believe that there is no demand for electric cars, and everyone is still concerned about Elon Musk being the CEO of Twitter. But what many investors are not able to see is that Twitter can actually help Tesla in many ways. Not to mention the plans Elon has for Twitter to make it a super app. But imagine this. What if Twitter can help Tesla stay up to date with the latest news and trends for their EVs? Tesla can use Twitter to connect with customers and answer any questions they have. Tesla can also use Twitter to share pictures and videos of the latest products. And think about the Robotaxis. Tesla can use Twitter to help with customer profiles before they get on a Robotaxi. This could also be a good marketing tool to promote new products and deals. And this is something that Elon has been doing for years on Twitter. And Elon Musk did not just pay $44 billion for Twitter, he paid for the data of millions of Twitter users to help with Neuralink and improve the Tesla bot. Now, all of these companies need data to help them progress. So think about it. So if you're still angry about the Twitter deal, well, then you're not seeing the bigger picture. And more than likely, you bought at the very top and thought you could make some quick money. But either way, the stock will come back. So stick with me here because we have to go over the Tesla update that was given by the man himself. Now get this, while some people are scared to put money into Tesla stock, they think it's going to keep going down. But according to Cathie Wood, a big Tesla bull, which by now you probably all know her, she thinks that the stock market is going to improve very soon. So this is actually the best time to buy into the market and get more shares. And some people are describing this as a once-in-a-century opportunity that investors should not miss out on. Now, ARK Invest has been buying a lot of Tesla stock recently. They bought $88 million worth of Tesla stock in the fourth quarter of last year. And this is not the first time ARK Invest bought the stock when prices were that low. Now, back in October, Cathie Wood told everyone that she had bought 66,000 shares of Tesla. And during that time, there was a record 343,000 vehicles, which is an increase for 240,000 vehicles from the year before. But since then, Tesla stock has been going down and it's currently down over 60% from last year. However, this does not seem to be a problem for Cathie Wood because according to her, there are also many factors that could make Tesla stock price go up in the future. One of them is Tesla's expansion plans into the areas like robotics, AI, and energy, which are all good things for the company. We also have to talk about deflation and how it could create room for innovation. Deflation could cause a boost in products and services that are associated with innovation. And high inflation could also be good in the long term because it's going to crush most of the other competition in the industry. And although in the short term it could be horrible, this is going to cause more people to go into electric vehicles, and the demand for oil is also expected to drop. So the EV market is going to continue to grow at a tremendous rate. And although it's hard to say what the future could hold, but one thing is for certain, and that is that EVs are the future. And as these vehicles are likely to become more popular in the future than they are today, gasoline cars will slowly become obsolete. And currently the EV market is expected to grow from $287 billion in 2021 to $318 billion in 2028. And here's something that Elon said which makes me more bullish, and it was actually a conversation he had on Twitter with whole Mars catalog. Now that's the fact that people still do not understand or get that Tesla is about to build a full self-driving vehicle for less than $33,000. And as of now, all of the cars that Tesla sells come with all the hardware needed for full self-driving, and all you need is a subscription to start using FSD. And this is massive because no one is talking about this or even looking into it when trying to price Tesla stock. And this is a big deal when it comes to Tesla's upcoming Robotaxi network, which we could see next year. So the potential is simply massive. Yet we have the Tesla bears thinking that Tesla is dead. Solar is also another huge factor to Tesla's fundamentals. The potential for solar has been obvious for many years now, and Tesla neglected their solar business in the past to focus on their Model 3 production, which suppressed solar progress, and they were putting their attention elsewhere. Now, as a result, today, most investors are not even thinking about Tesla Solar, and most analysts are not even factoring in Tesla Energy into their projections at all. And Tesla has done such a great job at making a product so compelling and bringing such great value that it becomes very hard for someone to not buy them. And we have seen how this is working out with their vehicles, and we are going to see the same thing happen for solar. And as we all know, when you make a product that's so compelling and so unique and so economically obvious, it's only a matter of time before everyone knows about it. Much like we've seen with this word-of-mouth strategy that has been able to sell millions of Teslas. We will see the same thing happen for solar. So clearly, solar will play a critical role in Tesla on the road to becoming a multi-trillion-dollar company within the next 5 to 10 years, at least in my opinion. And just in case the stock keeps dropping 10% or another 20%, just remember that Cathie Wood from ARK Invest, the most bullish Tesla investor, has been buying the Tesla dip over and over again, as they have a very long-term focus on Tesla and are very bullish on Tesla's Robotaxi fleet. So let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think we could see Tesla stock turn around in 2023? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Also, if you believe that EVs are going to change the way we drive and change the future, then be sure to look into Central Auto, who make light and medium duty commercial electric vehicles designed for delivery, maintenance, and warehouse. And these EVs are being used by both corporate and government customers. Now, they currently have a plant in the US in Jacksonville, and they just announced their hydrogen-powered semi-tractor at CES Technology in Las Vegas. And so far, they have produced over 3,500 commercial EVs, with over 20 million in total mileage, and have shipped to 16 different countries. Centra is dedicated to bringing all-electric solutions to the commercial market and is driven to deliver innovative, reliable commercial transportation technologies. Centra was established in 2014, and Centra's all-electric vehicles bring innovation to traditional urban deliveries, ensuring that customer operations are always running, being optimized and coordinated through all sustainability stages. And reflecting today's market demands, Centra's vehicles maximize cargo volume and payload without sacrificing range. They have also just unveiled their City Porter, which offers a unique solution to fleets. To fleet customers, offering a range of up to 220 miles on a single charge, a payload of 5,700 pounds, and a top speed of 60 miles per hour. The City Porter was also purpose-built to support last-mile delivery needs with its generous payload of 636 square feet of cargo capacity. So if you're trying to check out a new EV company that's in its early stages, then be sure to check them out. So with that in mind, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.